Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are taking a look at the best computer case fan that can improve both your cooling performance and the overall look of your PC. If you want strong airflow with low noise and stylish lighting, this one is definitely worth checking out. Let's get started. This is the Jungle Leopard computer fan. Jungle Leopard designed this fan to deliver a balance between quiet operation, powerful cooling, and eye-catching design. It is built for users who want their system to run smoothly without sounding like a loud machine. One of the first things you will notice about the Jungle Leopard computer case fan is how quiet it is. It operates at just 30 decibels. That means you can enjoy a calm and peaceful environment even when your computer is working hard. Whether you are gaming, editing, or just browsing, the fan keeps noise to a minimum while still doing its job effectively. Cooling performance is where this fan really shines. It delivers up to 60.18 cubic feet per minute airflow. This strong airflow helps maintain stable temperatures inside your case. When your components stay cool, they perform better and last longer. Consistent cooling is especially important during heavy workloads, and this fan supports that with reliable airflow. The Jungle Leopard computer case fan also features a 5 volts ARGB lighting system. This adds a vibrant and customizable lighting effect to your PC build. You can create a more dynamic and colorful setup that matches your style. It is not just about cooling, it is also about making your system look impressive. Installation is made simple with its magnetic suction design. This feature allows for easier placement and tool-free splicing. You do not need complicated tools or extra effort to install it. The process feels quick and smooth, which is great for anyone building or upgrading a PC. Durability is another strong point. The Jungle Leopard V2Rs model uses a hydraulic bearing system. This design reduces friction and wear inside the fan, allowing it to run smoothly for up to 100,000 hours. That means long-lasting and stable performance over time. Compatibility is also well handled. The Jungle Leopard computer fan case works with standard PC fan pins, so it integrates easily into many different chassis designs. You can upgrade your cooling system without worrying about complex adjustments. Overall, the Jungle Leopard computer case fan offers quiet performance, strong airflow, vibrant ARGB lighting, easy installation, and long-lasting durability. It improves both the function and the appearance of your PC build. Ready to upgrade your cooling setup? Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart and budget-friendly product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.